In this exercise, we will learn the pattern option. The pattern option is used to apply a pattern effect on images. Okay, let's see how this option will work. Let's go to the Layers panel and click on the Adjustment layer. And in the list, click on Pattern. And here, simply we can just apply the pattern. For example, select any pattern. And here, we can adjust opacity. And we can also double-click on the layer to adjust it again. And here, we can also adjust the scale level, something like this. We can apply nice effects by using the pattern option. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the curve option.